I would say the primary challenge that we see with performance right now is the actual API-based integrations and how you're going to fulfill a very large data quantity requirement with API-based integrations. FHIR integrations in particular are per patient and they're per resource. So you might end up with 75 or 100 FHIR queries just to get a single patient's data. Now, if you have 200,000 patients in scope for this data retrieval process and you want to perform it monthly, you're getting a little bit beyond what's possible in today's day and age from an API-based query perspective. You're really adding a huge amount of load and the potential for error. So this goes back to the need for understanding what your data quantity requirements are and the timeliness of data. Use of APIs should really be about obtaining data at the moment in time where that LLM is going to require some input. It shouldn't be used for large backloads, for example. But sometimes you end up having to do that. And so think about if you are using APIs to perform a large data backload, how can you scale your applications? How can the health system scale their APIs so that that backload can be done effectively? There are certainly great ways to do this and good tools that you can use. We've been able to deploy functionalities that have made millions and millions of API calls in order to retrieve data. It just takes a long time and it takes a lot of planning and surveillance of the process.